everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because I got the ATEEZ albums. I only have version Z, the diary version, and then the San member version. I have no, I did order a signed member version, but I don't know who it is. And then version A. So I made sure to just pick up one of each. I don't want to have like a ton of albums like I do for Stray Kids. I want to stop doing that. So let's get into this. I have opened everything. We'll do the Z version first. I really like this packaging. It's really cool. The only thing I will say I don't like about this packaging, it's kind of like the BTS ones where like it slides out. I don't like that because it's really hard to get back in there. So these songs are Ghost, Adrenaline, NASA, On the Road, and Choose. Choose has been out for a couple of months now. I really like that song. Like it's like my go-to ATEEZ song. But now it'll be Adrenaline. I think that's their title track. It's really good. The video is really good. San with his like yelling, singing, amazing. And then lower voice Jungho was like, what? Like those are my two biases, and that's just crazy. All of these songs are really good, but Adrenaline and Choose are probably my favorite ones. So this has some goodies in it. I think this is the CD, and then this is the book. I didn't look at the book yet because I wanted to look at it with you guys. Also, I'm filming on my regular camera, not my phone, so things might be a little different. I think there's something going on with the calibration because this is not lining up straight. But here's the book. So this is Golden Hour Part 4. Golden Hour Part 3, the In Your Fantasy version, that's where I got into ATEEZ. Honestly, all K-pop. But ATEEZ was my first K-pop group, and then it was Stray Kids. These are really nice pictures. Oh, Sungwa. Looks so good. They all look good, honestly. There's Yeosang. There's a lot of singing, like a lot of Yeosang parts in this album. It's really amazing. I never really noticed me just getting into K-pop. Like it's really hard for me to learn all of their voices between all these different groups. But now that like I listen back to older songs, yeah, there's not a lot of Yeosang, but in this album there's quite a bit, more than usual. Here's San. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. San and then Mingi. Ooh, this book is really hard to keep open. Jungho! Oh my god, look at him. He's so cute. I love Jungho. And then it's the lyrics. Let's open this. Here's a CD. You get a poster. They look so good. Oh my gosh. And then I think this is a sticker. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah. And when mutual universes collide, I think there's gonna be different ones throughout the albums, and then it's gonna like make a full sentence. I didn't even look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at them. Okay, good. My biases are on the same side. I hate that when companies, like, it's like they know who your biases are, and they're like, let's put them on the same paper, and then front and back. And then you have to choose which bias to show on your wall. I like this. I might cut this and then just hang them individually, but only these two. Do I do all of the photo cards now or wait until the very end? I'll do it now, and then, let's see. Sungwa! Oh my gosh. He's so cute. Oh, Hongjoong. My sister already called dibs on this one. She pulled a couple of Jung Ho, so I am fine with that. I think she has a San one too, which, oh, San. I don't think I have any San. Hongjoong. Sungwa. Yeah, I'm not trading this one. This one I'm keeping forever. I'm not giving this one away. I don't care if he's my bias or not. Here is the diary version. So diary version means that there is the little book with the lore in it, which I'm going to tell you, I did not know until like 2 weeks ago what diary version meant. So when I ordered the signed version, I just ordered version A. I should have gotten diary. But anyway, so then CD with everything and then book. What is your favorite song so far? Like, what one are you listening to on repeat? Because I'm telling you, mine is Adrenaline. Oh, so good. I need to read the lore because I want to know what's going on with the chandelier because this gives me ice on my teeth vibes. So I need to know what is going on. Hongjoong's hair in this? Oh my god. Sungwa. Oh, those glasses. I think it was one of these pictures where, was it KQ? They posted, or like ATEEZ official, whatever, posted the picture of Yeosang and did hashtag What is happening? And then I heard that they forgot Yeosang's birthday in the season's greeting. Oh, Sonny. Okay, whatever this is, this little part, I'm here for. Keep doing that. Keep doing that, Son. Oh. I might rip this out of the book. That's a nice picture. Mingy. Young. Jung Ho. Excuse me, sir. What are you doing? And then the lyrics. So it comes with this little diary book. It has the lore in it. It has it in Korean, and then it has it in English. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure this out. Another poster. Ooh. Oh, I like it. I don't know if I'll hang this one up. I don't know. I'll have to choose. I'll have to see what version A looks like when I get it, because I think I only want to hang one poster, and then I wonder if this would fit in my binder like this. Hold on. They are tempered into something stronger. I don't know. I have to figure out. I need version A so I can figure out what this says. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so I brought this out for comparison. San, what are you doing? Oh my god. And then you get this little sticker. I think there's an AT sticker in here somewhere. I think. I don't know. But I have to figure out what I want to do with these. You don't get a lot of inclusions, which I am honestly, I am content with that. We don't need a million inclusions. All right, so these are the ones I already got. So let's go through. Find the equivalent. I think it'll be this one. Oh, yeah. Okay, so the sporty one. I think this is a Walmart exclusive. I asked on Threads and they said that it was the sporty one. You know. Here's the crying one. Hongjoong again. Oh my gosh. And then this one. Oh yeah. But I've been seeing on threads where so many people are getting this one. Onto my cute Sonny potato. I was so excited when I saw this. I went to another Walmart and they didn't have any member version, so I was a little sad. Here are the stickers. One says Son. Golden Hour Part 4. And then I keep calling it a cube, and then my sister gets kind of offended. A Sopro? I just can't remember the name. That's all. Because I didn't know this cube meant anything. I'll be honest. I don't know anything about the lore, which is why I need to read the lore. Oh, I forgot about this. Oh my god, he looks so good. I'm telling you, that part, my sister said it's new. And like, I've seen a lot of music videos, so I know that's new. This is San. Oh my god. I didn't look at this either, because I wanted to leave something. Oh, where'd they all go? I wanted to leave something that I could look at with you guys. I just get too excited. Oh. I have no words. Oh my gosh. Hold on. We need to look at this again. He is so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Oh, here's a crying one again. Hongjoong. I'm gonna tell you, I was like, what the heck? I'm like, Hongjoong, what are you doing here again for the third time? Ugh. Okay, we'll do the sporty one, because I guess this is the Walmart exclusive. Hongjoong again, but at least it's different. And then San, I think you do get a member version. Oh my god, look at him. He's so cute. His little heart. Oh. That is everything I have for ATEEZ. I've been adding PCs to this. PCs and Lomos to this that I need to sleeve because I'm going to do a sleeving video. So I'm just going to add them in here. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope to see you very soon in my next one. Bye!